Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most stylish and fashionable actresses in Bollywood, the gorgeous Alia Bhatt. Alia's fashion choices have always been on point, be it her casual outings or red carpet events. So, let's dive in and explore some of her best fashion moments. The gorgeous Alia Bhatt and her photo shoot for the debut Ratnani calendar. Alia looked absolutely stunning in a turquoise micro-pleated dress with a thigh-high slit and a plunging neckline. Her glam was on point too, with dewy makeup, kohl in her eyes, and a gorgeous nude lip shade. To complete the look, she wore a couple of lockets and multiple rings. And her hair, perfectly styled in soft curls, left open to frame her face. This whole look is giving us major fashion goals. And get this, the dress is worth 20,000 rupees. The stunning actress Alia Bhatt and her latest Instagram post that's been breaking the internet. Alia is looking absolutely glamorous in a black silk dress as she strikes a stunning pose against a grayscale background. Her intense expression is giving us major boss vibes. And her makeup, on point. She's gone for sharp and crisp brows, a beautiful bronze highlighter, and a lovely pink hued shade for her lips. And let's not forget about her hair, that messy hairdo is just perfect. Alia truly looks breathtaking in this photo. The actress is making waves as the cover girl for Elle India's latest edition and she's absolutely glowing. Dressed in a stunning pink feathered outfit by Falguni and Shane Peacock, she looks pretty and desirable. Alia has collaborated with her expert stylist, Lakshmi Lair, to create a series of absolutely stunning looks that will surely make you drool. From a super glamorous avatar to something that's chic and sophisticated, Alia's stylist has balanced her different looks for the photo shoot perfectly, leaving us with nothing to complain about. It's been a while since she featured as the cover girl for any magazine and we are glad that the wait is finally over. Alia's first look is nothing short of magical, channeling her inner fairy. For this look, she slipped into Lakio's netted lacy gown atop a vest by Edamame. Alia accessorized her outfit with a stunning necklace and statement studs from the Solitaire collection by Malabar Gold and Diamonds, adding a touch of glamour to her overall look. In her next look, she shined bright like a diamond in Maison Valentino's sequin top and gold loops. And saying that she rocked it will be an understatement when the look appeared to be tailor-made for her. To finish off her look, the actress chose to accentuate her eyes with a golden smoky eye effect and balanced it out with a peachy glossy lip color. Alia kept her sleek wet-styled hair loose, adding to her glamour. In the last picture, Alia played muse to luxury couture designer Falguni Shane Peacock and appeared nothing less than an enchantress in a pink lemonade-hued gown with a pink fox feathered shrug. Alia's accessories were hidden in the close-up picture of her first post, but on the cover of the magazine, she adorned herself with rings and earrings from the Allure collection of Malabar Gold and Diamonds, enhancing her appearance. Opening up her fashion horizons, Alia Bhatt opted for a stunning ensemble by Falguni Shane Peacock. The actress showed off her exquisite collar bones in an off-shoulder gown, featuring pearl ivory and silver chrome applique. The gown also boasted a tulle waist cape with fox fur, and was heavily embellished to accentuate her curves and height. The actress once again relied on Malabar Gold and Diamonds for her accessories, completing the look. Looking like a true princess, Alia flaunted her admiration for Falguni Shane Peacock once again by donning an embroidered peach dust and silver gown, adorned with pearls, Swarovski stones, crystals, and beads. A fox feather shoulder cape added to the regal appeal, making Alia look every bit like the royalty that she is. It's no secret that the diva is loved by the masses for her stylish photos and her Instagram uploads are proof of the same. Alia featured on the cover of Elle magazine, and guess what, she shot for the cover picture at her home with the help of her sister Shaheen Bhatt. The actress looks stunning in a red dress while posing in a bathtub. She styled her hair and did her own makeup for the shoot and opted for a minimalistic look that makes her look effortlessly beautiful. But that's not all, Alia looked uber chic and glamorous in all the stills for the magazine. She looked absolutely incredible in a fern-ruched organza dress by Ralph Lauren. She paired the pink number with a studded mesh top and accessorized the look with a pair of hoop earrings, a cuff bracelet, a band ring, and a pair of Folies strass heels by Christian Louboutin. To add a touch of eccentricity to her look, the actress donned a three-dimensional bodice with gliding foliage by renowned designer Amit Agarwal. She looks glamorous and chic in an electric blue silk long-sleeved jacket by Gucci that was accessorized with a statement necklace in white gold, a matching bracelet, and a ring all by Bulgari. Alia also flaunted her enviable figure in a crimson sequined gown by Rudraksh Dwivedi. She accessorized the look with a pair of gold stone earrings and a beautiful ring that rounded off the look for her. In another look, she is seen wearing a long-sleeved knit top with an embroidered silk fail bustier and black pants all by Gucci. To complete this ensemble, the actress adorned herself with a pendant necklace, earrings, and a stack of bracelets. Alia Bhatt's casual style is all about comfort and ease, without compromising on fashion. She often opts for denim shorts or distressed jeans paired with simple crop tops or oversized t-shirts. She also loves to accessorize with statement sunglasses, chunky sneakers or ankle boots, and a sling bag. When it comes to ethnic wear, Alia Bhatt never fails to impress us. She looks stunning in saris, lehengas, and salwar suits. She often chooses bright and bold colors, intricate embroidery, and unique draping styles. She also loves to experiment with accessories, such as statement earrings or a mang tikka. The actress' red carpet style is sophisticated and elegant. She often chooses gowns with clean lines, intricate details, and bold colors. She also knows how to accessorize with minimal jewelry and sleek hair and makeup. Her iconic look at the Filmfare Awards in a neon green gown by Georges Hobeker was definitely a showstopper. Alia is a fitness enthusiast and loves to incorporate athleisure into her fashion choices. She often wears yoga pants, sports bras, and bomber jackets in bright and bold colors. She also knows how to style her athleisure looks with trendy accessories, such as a fanny pack or a baseball cap. Alia Bhatt's street style is effortlessly cool and trendy. She often wears oversized jackets or coats, ripped jeans, and chunky sneakers. She also knows how to add a pop of color to her outfits with bright and bold accessories, such as a beanie or a crossbody bag. The actress' boho chic style is all about free-spirited and laid-back vibes. She often wears flowy dresses or skirts with floral prints, paired with boots or sandals. She also loves to accessorize with statement necklaces or earrings, and headbands. The actress knows how to rock a monochrome look with ease. She often chooses one color and wears it head to toe, creating a chic and sophisticated outfit. She also loves to play with textures and fabrics, adding depth to her monochrome looks. Denim is a wardrobe staple for Alia Bhatt, and she knows how to wear it in different ways. She often chooses denim jackets, overalls, or skirts paired with simple tops or t-shirts. She also knows how to accessorize with bold and colorful shoes or bags. The beauty minimalist style is simple, clean, and effortless. She often chooses classic and timeless pieces, such as a white shirt or a black dress. She also knows how to style her outfits with minimal accessories, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. Alia Bhatt's power dressing game is on point. She knows how to create a powerful and professional look with tailored blazers, pantsuits, and sleek heels. She often chooses neutral colors, such as black, white, or navy, and adds a pop of color with her accessories. The actress loves to experiment with retro styles and add her own twist to it. She often wears polka dots, floral prints, and bold colors, reminiscent of the 60s and 70s era. She also loves to accessorize with round sunglasses, hoop earrings, and platform heels. Alia knows the power of a statement piece and how it can transform an outfit. She often chooses bold and eye-catching pieces, such as a sequined jacket or a fringed skirt, and pairs it with simple and understated pieces. She also knows how to accessorize with statement jewelry or bags, creating a look that's both stylish and impactful. Alia Bhatt's summer fashion is all about light and breezy outfits. She often chooses flowy dresses or skirts with floral prints, paired with sandals or flip-flops. She also loves to accessorize with hats or sunglasses, adding a touch of fun and playfulness to her summer looks. The actress knows how to make a statement with her formal wear. She often chooses gowns with intricate details, such as lace or embroidery, and pairs it with elegant heels. She also knows how to accessorize with minimal jewelry and a sleek hairstyle, creating a look that's both timeless and elegant. The actress loves to mix and match different styles, creating a unique and personalized outfit. She often pairs a traditional Indian piece with a modern Western piece, creating a fusion look that's both stylish and unconventional. She also loves to experiment with textures and prints, creating a look that's eclectic and fun. Alia Bhatt's athleisure style is all about comfort and functionality. She often wears leggings, sports bras, and oversized sweatshirts or jackets, paired with sneakers or running shoes. She also knows how to accessorize with a stylish gym bag or backpack. The actress' casual style is effortless and chic. She often wears simple and comfortable pieces, such as jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers, but adds a touch of glam with her accessories. She also loves to play with different styles, such as adding a leather jacket or a statement necklace, creating a look that's both casual and chic. She loves to experiment with new and unconventional styles, creating a fashion-forward look. She often wears avant-garde pieces, such as oversized coats or asymmetrical dresses, and pairs it with bold accessories. She also knows how to mix and match different styles, creating a look that's both edgy and stylish. Alia Bhatt's bohemian style is all about free-spirited and carefree vibes. She often wears flowy maxi dresses, oversized hats, and layered necklaces, paired with sandals or boots. She also loves to accessorize with fringe or tassel details, creating a look that's both relaxed and chic. Alia knows how to create a monochrome look that's both stylish and impactful. She often chooses a single color and wears different shades and textures of that color, creating a look that's cohesive and elegant. She also knows how to accessorize with contrasting or complementary colors, adding a pop of color to her monochrome look. The actress loves to incorporate retro athletic wear into her fashion choices. She often wears high-waisted shorts, vintage-inspired sports bras, and track jackets with stripes, creating a look that's both sporty and stylish. She also pairs her retro athletic wear with modern accessories, such as chunky sneakers or oversized sunglasses. So there you have it, some of the best fashion moments of Alia Bhatt. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.